Hi everybody, it's Bubz. So for today's Ask Bubz episode, we're doing the makeup edition. So I'm going to be answering your makeup related questions. So let's get started. What advice can you give for concealing your blemishes? So when it comes to your blemishes, I think hygiene is definitely the most important factor. So if you can, try not to use your fingers because you're just transferring bacteria back and forth. So if you can, use a makeup brush or even a small eyeshadow brush, anything that's going to give you that precision that you need. I recommend either using a cream concealer or a liquid concealer. So I would avoid using any formulas that's too drying because you want the blemish to be non-cakey or non-crusty. And also what's also really important is you use a concealer that's exactly your skin color, because if you pick a concealer that's too light, you actually end up highlighting that spot instead. And speaking of highlight, it's also very important for you to set it with a powder. So there's two reasons why you should set it with powder. One is so you set that concealer so it doesn't slip and slide, so it's more long lasting. Two, because it mattifies that. And what happens is when you put powder on it, it will mattify it so it looks flat. However, if you just apply your concealer and leave it, it's gonna look shiny and that ends up highlighting the spot instead. I mean, I totally understand, guys. Concealer can be a lifesaver, especially if you're going out somewhere. But you know, your skin heals best when nothing is on it. So, you know, as much as you can, try to just let your skin heal. Do you have any tips for picking out the perfect foundation? Now, the perfect foundation obviously depends on your skin because everybody's skin is different. If your skin is more on the dry side, then obviously you'll need a foundation with more of a